Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify CCS Handshake with a station ID check, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have all necessary tools at hand. Start with the CCS Handshake process. Connect your device to the network where the CCS Handshake is to be verified. Initiate the handshake sequence according to the specified protocol. Monitor the data traffic to capture the handshake packets. Once captured, open your preferred packet analysis tool. Load the captured packets into the analysis tool for examination. Locate the handshake packets within the captured data. Verify the handshake completion status to ensure it was successful. Next, identify the station ID within the handshake packets. Cross-reference the station ID with the expected values in your system. Check for any discrepancies in the station ID and the expected data. If a mismatch occurs, document the details for further investigation. If the station ID matches, proceed to confirm the integrity of the handshake. Look for additional validation checks within the transmission. Ensure all security protocols were followed during the handshake. Once all checks are completed, generate a report summarizing your findings. Save the results for future reference and compliance purposes. Conclude the verification process by securing the network connections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.